Hi, Rebecca here. I've been traveling for the last couple of weeks in Scotland, Ireland. I was in Amsterdam for a couple of days. Um, Traveling with my family, with my husband, with my sons, who are young adults, and we're doing a lot of go to a place, stay for a little while, do something, and then pack up. And one of the things that I have spent a lot of my time studying are imprints. So, our early experiences in our bodies and our nervous systems, and how we repeat those as adults. I'm really paying attention right now to the endings, which are kind of a struggle for me. To be honest, um, my felt sense in my body. And this isn't a cognitive thing. I'm making sense of it, and I'm just going to share how I'm making sense of it. Um, as I'm packing up, which I'm doing right now, again, is that, oh my gosh, I'm almost done. But then I'm not really almost done. And I have this desire to just be like, I'll take care of it later. I'll stop. And so I have to kind of push myself to finish that last little bit of of this process of packing up. And they say that the way that you do something is the way that you do everything. The way that you do anything is the way you do everything. And I would say that's true. I'm thinking about a bunch of other things right now of the way that I end something, um, that I kind of get stuck. So I just want to show you. So I have my boots down here. There's a baggie on the floor. There's other baggies here. That's my husband's suitcase. This is my backpack. Some of my husband's stuff. It's my sweater, fan that needs to go into this bag. This needs to go into a little case that's attached to this. This is my bag, which is actually very organized. It's in these little containers. Kind of freak out when I see people just like throwing stuff in. Like I need it really organized. And then I've got these random things that need to go somewhere. So I'm really almost done. I like literally am almost finished with this process. But the ending for me can be really a challenge. And I don't know if that's your experience as well. But we're going to be talking about that this month in our membership. It is the everyday, and it may also be an ending of a relationship, whether that's through divorce, whether that is death, whether a relationship has just ended, and that process that we go through of what does an ending look like. And we're going to be using my Arch of Healing this month in October to be looking at whatever aspect of that feels important for you. And we'll be setting intentions together about what aspect you want to look at, because it's easy to get like, oh, well, let's go over here and let's look at this and let's stay focused and let's choose something that you want to focus on. And I've spent a long time now just looking at these different aspects of my imprints. If you don't have a loss that you want to look at, or an end of a relationship, or maybe you want to celebrate the end of a relationship with your old self, that's also like cool. But it is an ending, and that's really what we're focusing on. We're also going to be looking at rituals for endings and celebration of life with the Day of the Dead in Oaxaca, Mexico, and some other places that celebrate and have different ways of honoring those who have passed on. We're going to be doing some things with that this month. So I hope that you will join us if you feel called to do so. See you there.